Hello everyone. If you are preparing for the CAT, you know the importance of mock tests when it comes to your preparatory journey. So in this video, I am going to analyze and review SimCATs on these 5 parameters. The first parameter being the contents of the test, the second parameter being the students' feedback, the third parameter being analytics, followed by the practice that you will have to do, and finally the pricing of all the SimCAT variants that we have. Now to help you in your journey to crack the CAT, we have an exclusive tie-up with IMS which will help you get a 10% discount on the SimCAT purchase that you are going to make. So stay tuned till the very end to understand what exactly the discount is about, what other freebie is it that you are going to get, and how exactly to apply the coupon code and so on and so forth. So let's start with the first parameter that I have in mind, which is the content side of things. Now if you have explored SimCATs a bit, you would have realized that there are 3 things that I want to talk about in this particular context. सबसे पहली चीज ये है that SimCATs are very close to the level of difficulty of the CAT. बहुत ज़्यादा easy tests नहीं होते which will give you a false sense of confidence, और बहुत ज़्यादा artificially difficult questions भी नहीं होते that have no chance appearing at the CAT. So they are somewhere in between, which is very close to the level of difficulty of the CAT, which will help you be mentally prepared. The second thing that I really appreciate about the SimCATs is the fact that all the major areas are covered. So arithmetic, algebra, geometry, modern math, number theory, DILR, VARC, सारे के सारे areas covered होते हैं, first thing. And the second sub point in this particular context is that questions यहाँ पे repetitive नहीं होते. So if you have seen a question in SimCAT 1, you will not see the same question appearing in any of the 40 SimCATs that you are going to take. तो अगर सारे के सारे SimCATs दे देते हो, you would have covered more than 2500-ish questions which are of CAT level and are all unique in nature. It is something that is ensured by the team that designs and executes the SimCATs, which is something that I really appreciate as well. The third thing that is very important is the presence of video solutions. So एक चीज जो मुझे भी समझ में आई है लास्ट कुछ सालों में, that people respond very well to video solutions. अगर मैं कोई चीज का टेक्स्ट सोल्यूशन का वेरिएंट दे दूं एंड एक वीडियो सॉल्यूशंस का वेरिएंट दे दूं, people will find it much easier to digest the video solution, because वहां पे मुझे पता चलता है that ये स्टेप से ये स्टेप पे मैं कैसे आया. And SimCATs have video solutions built into them, which of course increases or improves the experience of test taking and analyzing and reviewing the test. The second parameter is the student feedback, and we have largely received positive feedbacks from all the students who have appeared for the SimCATs. So काफ़ी सारे toppers interviews भी अगर देखोगे तो काफ़ी सारे लोग SimCATs के ऊपर अपना सारा preparation base करते हैं, and this is possibly more true for people who are repeaters, because उन्होंने एक बार पूरा का पूरा content cover कर चुके और कर दिया होता है, so उनके लिए test taking becomes the primary mode of preparation. So repeaters के among especially SimCATs are really popular, and in terms of the various sections that are there, there is some feedback that we have consistently received from students across the 3 sections. So QA की अगर बात करेंगे specifically, then we see a lot of questions that are in sync with the kind of questions that are appeared at the CAT. There is a refresh of questions every year so that you don't really get the same questions repeated across 2 consecutive years as well. तो कोई अगर repeat कर रहे हैं and last year SimCAT दिया था, this year का SimCAT taking is going to be a fresh experience altogether. And यहाँ पे specific mention is of अमित पंचमटिया सर एंड परमेश्वर शर्मा सर, जो लोग वीडियो सॉल्यूशंस रिकॉर्ड करते हैं फॉर द QA सेक्शन एंड ऑल्सो द DILR सेक्शन. DILR के अंदर one feedback that we have consistently received is the fact that these sets are all unique and novel in nature. So you will not see a lot of sets that are typical bar graphs or line charts or pie charts जो CAT में नहीं आते. CAT के sets are more thinking based, and यहाँ पे again because these sets are refreshed every year by the team that creates the SimCATs, you will see fresh takes or fresh concepts being tested every year in terms of the DILR sets as well. तो यहाँ पे भी मतलब काफ़ी positive feedback रहा है. In terms of VARC specifically, a lot of people feel that the passages or the VA questions are slightly tougher compared to what they expect to happen at the CAT, but CAT के अंदर भी कुछ ambiguity होती है, कुछ difficult sets आते हैं, passages आते हैं, so it's always better for you to be prepared to face these kind of passages. So I will not say they are too tough or something, it is very close to what happens at the CAT, so I will say that it is solid prep overall across the 3 sections that you might come across. Now once the test is done, फिर क्या करना है? You have to analyze your test very thoroughly. क्योंकि अगर मैं कुछ टेस्ट में से सीखूंगा ही नहीं, so how exactly can I expect to do better in the next test? तो यहाँ पे post test analytics are also taken care of. You will get some basic parameters that you need to know, which is basically time spent on every question that you have, accuracy versus speed, topic wise performance, your performance versus the topper's performance through this metric called the p value that exists, which will tell you whether a question is of an easy, moderate और डिफिकल्ट लेवल. तो ये सारी चीजें अपने को पता चल जाएंगी. वीडियो सॉल्यूशन से ये पता चलेगा दैट व्हाट एग्जैक्टली वाज द स्टेप दैट यू वर मिसिंग, और इफ देयर वाज अ वे इन विच यू कुड हैव सॉल्व्ड इट इन अ क्विकर मैनर. अब यहाँ पे क्या होता है, तुम्हारी पूरी जो कैट की जर्नी होती है वो ट्रांजिशन करेगी फ्रॉम आई नीड हेल्प टू सॉल्व अ पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन टाइप. मुझे थोड़ा स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट मिल जाए ना तो मेरे से क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो जाएगा. वो जो तुम्हारा स्टेप होगा वहां से यू विल ग्रेजुएट टू समथिंग वेर इन यू विल टेल योरसेल्फ दैट आई कैन सॉल्व दिस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन. तो ये एक चीज है जहां पे आई विल से दैट सिमकैट्स आर हेल्पिंग यू और गोइंग टू हेल्प यू improve your prep and kind of assist you in your journey when it comes to cracking the CAT. Now once you're done with the test and you have analyzed the test as well, you will also feel कि यार ये question के मुझे extra practice मिल जाती ना इसकी, तो I would definitely do better the next time around. Now to help you with that particular bit, what happens in this case is that you get AI powered adaptive questions that will be a part of your SimCAT pack as well. अब यहाँ पे क्या होता है, the AI powered engine is going to give you some questions that are similar to the question that you would have either solved or missed, और वो तुमको तब तक question tweak कर करके पूछता रहेगा till the time you have actually understood the concept and you can get successive questions correct. तो ये जब तक समझ में नहीं आता तुमको सिस्टम क्वेश्चन बना के देता जाएगा. Now that is something which I think is unique to the SimCATs and that helps you practice the questions that are of a SimCAT level even after the SimCAT is done. And this ensures that next time whenever you are going to take a SimCAT or any other mock, you will be better prepared mentally to deal with a question type if you see something similar to it. तो यहाँ पे I think AI powered adaptive practice जो है वो काफी हेल्प करती है. If I have to talk about pricing, you will be able to see the grid of the variant versus the pricing bit on screen in front of you. यहाँ पे you will see that SimCATs start from a very basal level of 7,250 rupees and they go up to as high as 11,250 rupees for the SimCAT Ultimate variant, which will of course cover CAT and other management entrance tests or ADMATs as it's called in this particular variant as well. If we have to talk about the pricing, सबसे जो basic variant है that is available for 7,250 rupees and जो सबसे ultimate SimCAT वाला जो variant है that is available for 11,250 rupees. Now there are a lot of things that are present in the SimCAT Ultimate variant in addition to SimCATs of course. वहाँ पे तुमको access मिलेगा ADMATs के लिए. Now ADMATs are additional management admission tests which include the likes of ZAT, CET, SNAP, NMAT and so on and so forth. तो ये सारे ADMATs का access मिलेगा. You will also get access to benchmarking tests which will tell you what your performance looks like for a particular topic. अगर देखते हो तो मास्टर क्लासेस भी इसमें अवेलेबल है which are CAT master classes and ADMAT master classes and there is this GK zone portal as well which will help you prepare for tests like say the CMAT जिसके अंदर GK टेस्ट होती है. Now all these will be a part of the SimCAT Ultimate variant that we have here. Being a part of the .99 ecosystem, you get a special exclusive 10% waiver. You can see the code that you will have to apply on checkout below this video. You can see it here. It's called .99 IMS. तो ये कोड अगर अप्लाई करोगे and make sure that you are using the cases correctly, upper case है, lower case सब देख के एक बार उसको paste कर देना and you will be able to avail a flat 10% discount during checkout. अब इसके साथ में एक और सरप्राइज है जिसके बारे में मैं स्टार्टिंग में बता रहा था. You will get access to 3 exclusive SimCAT analysis sessions from my end. Right? So I will be analyzing 3 SimCATs. The detailed schedule of these 3 SimCAT analysis sessions will be again made available to you. But do let us know once you sign up for this SimCAT SimCATs using the code .99 IMS. अब इसके बाद क्या होगा? Once you are done with the purchase, within a couple of weeks we will add you to an exclusive group that will be a part of your journey. And उसके अंदर we will be sharing the details of the 3 sessions that we are going to conduct. The sessions are going to happen a bit later, but because you have signed up using our code, you are going to get exclusive access to these sessions, and of course we'll add you to a private group as well. अब यहाँ पे ओवरऑल अगर देखा जाए तो IMS SimCats are of course a solid pick for anyone who wants to prepare and crack the CAT. काफ़ी अच्छा कंटेंट है, काफ़ी ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस के भी एवेन्यूज अवेलेबल है. वीडियो सॉल्यूशंस फॉर मी आर अ गेम चेंजर इफ यू थिंक अबाउट द काइंड ऑफ इनसाइट्स दैट यू आर गोइंग टू गेट बाय गोइंग थ्रू दोस वीडियो सॉल्यूशंस. एंड फाइनली प्रैक्टिस के लिए भी काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें अवेलेबल है. द AI powered adaptive practice I think is one of the USPs when it comes to the SimCats that are there. So you can use the coupon, unlock the bonus content that is there, and we can ace CAT or ace CAT together this year. Like, share and subscribe for more such meaningful content, more such fruitful content. Wish you all the best with your CAT journey and keep hustling.